In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways to transfer design onto your wooden project.
Carton paper is our first option. A package of carton paper costs around $5 and comes with about 20 sheets. Carton paper works by having one side of the paper coated with carbon and the other side being almost like a film. You simply lay the carton side down facing your project, then take your printed design and lay it over top of the paper. At this point, make sure everything is lined up how you want it and tape it down so it doesn't move. Then take a pencil and trace over the printed design. After you're done, you can take off the paper and see the design transferred onto your project. This method is pretty quick and easy, but it's kind of hard to line up the design with your project, so I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Paper and tape.
The paper and tape method is the quickest and cheapest way to prep your design for engraving.
You simply print out the design, grab packaging tape, and tape it to the wood. Then when you go to engrave it, you work from the center out so you don't lose any information from the paper, as you can see from this poor demonstration here. Although I've used this method to engrave several projects, it can be hard for the Dremel to go through the paper and the wood. But when using a router to engrave your project, this method works perfectly. Overall, 7 out of 10 since this is more focused towards routers.
Before I move on to the next method, I want to stop the video and tell you that I'm going to be giving away a free Dremel 100. To win this Dremel, all you have to do is like the video and comment down below, "I want a free Dremel." Next month, I'll pick out a winner and they'll receive the prize. It literally takes 10 seconds, just like the video and comment down below. That's all you have to do. You can do it right now while you're watching the video. Alright, let's get back to the project.
Glue. The glue method, or more specifically the spray adhesive method, is when you spray a glue-like substance to the back of your printed out design, then lay it down on your project. As you engrave, the paper will stay on the wood, making it easier to carve. The only downside with this method is that when you're done engraving, you have to sand the paper and the glue off the wood. Depending on how much it sticks, you might have to sand a lot of your product away, forcing you to engrave deeper to make it so you can see your lines. Overall, I give this method a 5 out of 10.
To recap, there are 3 ways to put a design onto your project: carton paper, tape, and glue. My personal favorite is carton paper, especially when using a Dremel. Speaking of Dremels, don't forget to comment down below and like the video to win a free Dremel 100. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.